Hello, I'm Dr. Arminda Jester, a cardiac surgeon at the Massachusetts General Hospital and the co-director of the Thoracic Aortic Center. On behalf of our center, I invite you to join our virtual course, Aortic Aneurysms and Dissections, What Every Clinician Needs to Know, which is taking place on Friday, December 1st, 2023 via live stream. Aortic aneurysms are often incidentally diagnosed when imaging is ordered for another reason. Meanwhile, aortic dissections can have a variable presentation and therefore can be easily misdiagnosed in the emergency room. Last year, we at the Massachusetts General Hospital developed this one-day course to provide the fundamentals of evaluation and care of aortic aneurysms, chronic aortic disease, aortic dissections, and other acute aortic syndromes. And we are happy to bring it back to you this year with great speakers, new topics, and updated content based on the thoughtful suggestions from our attendees last year. We've designed this course keeping in mind the needs of the cardiologists, primary care physicians, emergency medicine physicians, advanced practice providers, and the many other clinicians who care for patients with aortic disease.
For this course, we're excited to bring together the expertise of faculty in vascular surgery, cardiac surgery, cardiology, genetics, radiology, emergency medicine, and emergency transport. The course is organized into three main sessions: ascending aortic aneurysms, descending and thoracoabdominal aortic aneurysms, and aortic dissection and other acute aortic syndromes. Specific topics will include current aortic guidelines, when and how to treat, imaging of the aorta, genetics of aortic disease, when to operate and when not to, what operations and procedures are available, and when to consider referring your patient to an aortic center.
Our dedicated Thoracic Aortic Center was established in 1999 and was one of the first of its kind in the country. Our center combines the expertise of a team of clinicians from multiple disciplines and many perspectives to offer patients the most advanced treatments available for the full spectrum of aortic disease. Our practice is also informed by and advanced by participation in major clinical studies and ongoing research initiatives. We're eager to share our multidisciplinary expertise with you on December 1st. This course will offer CME, MOC, and nursing credits and will be available virtually on demand, so please register today. We look forward to seeing you online in December.